They say in life journey, you learn by mistakes. Absolutely true. In my journey, I have learned a lot by making mistakes, and it has really enriched me to correct myself. Ladies and gentlemen, when you start life, probably as a teenager, as a young man, and as a young adult, whatever the profession you be, you are very ambitious, you are very aggressive, and at times you are brutal, because you are always looking for what is there for me in this, in that, in those, in this engagement. Always looking for what is there for me. And that has been also my journey. Even I've been engaged in the financial services and banking for nearly 40 years in Sri Lanka and in Asia. Still continues. And that mentality was there until I realized it's time to take a different turn. And I began to look at what is there for others for me. And that dramatically changed my perspective and my vision and the things that I can do, and I was able to see the big picture. And that is where I was able to do some things bigger and greater that can enrich beyond my family. And pioneering for the very first time and co-founding a TV reality show called At Power, like the Shark Tanks and Dragon's Den, creating access to private equity for micro, small and medium entrepreneurs in Sri Lanka for the very first time. Run a TV reality show in one of the leading television channels is a innovation and a creativity, and the very first time did in Sri Lanka. Thereafter, there are many other things which I got engaged in on an Asian and a global frontier. Because this thinking and looking at what is there for others for me changed my perspective, my journey, my footsteps. And today, I'm connected to a number of global organizations. And the organization which I founded for the first time for impact investing was selected by a global giant to partner for a major project for entrepreneur development. And there's a bigger project that is coming on a 7-year program to develop entrepreneurship, running to multiples of millions of dollars. Now this is all possible the way I changed my perspective from a singly, selfishly, egocentrically looking at what is there for me, and instead I turned around and looked at what is there for others from me. In my late stages of life, I felt if I can enrich and empower more people in more places and more often through this, then this journey of mine, I can live with certain amount of contentment. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for us sometimes to look at not what is there for you from this case, from that case, from this person, from that person, from this engagement, that engagement. But if you begin to turn around and see what is there for others around me, from me, genuinely, truthfully, I can tell you that you become a person bigger than life. You become a person, a greater heart and a sound mind in your journey, and you reach your journey with so much of contentment and happiness and joy in your heart all the time.